hot, sexy, bad girl, Chriss Choreo, straight out of Jamaica, and this is the #1 Caribbean YouTube dance channel. So, in this here video, I'm going to teach you one name, Dutty Wine. Dutty Wine. Now, in Jamaica, Dutty simply means dirty wine. Dirty, cranny, nasty. Cranny simply means nasty. Drop some words for dirty below in the comments. So basically, a dirty wine, right, describes this wine here. So I'm going to do it, I'm doing it at different levels, and then I'm going to modify it and show you some exercises that you can do to make your dirty wine really dirty. Alright, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da. Chopping on my chest with that. So that is called the dirty wine, and I actually lost a nail. Where is it? Now when you're doing the dirty wine, and I must remind all of you, any movement that you're doing with your neck, I'm a physiotherapist, and so I must give you some tips on safety. It is very important to warm up your neck. If you have any type of hyperlaxity, if you're lax in your neck, you've had some sort of neck injury, a broken neck, something, if you're currently wearing a C-collar or a halo vest, you probably should not be doing this dance move. If at any point in time too that you feel dizzy, you want to stop, take a break. If the dizziness does not subside, alert a medical professional. Okay. So now, simple neck warm-ups include just this. Turn the head to the side, side, 3, and we can do this for as long as you want. Some persons may need a little bit longer, some people less time, right? And now I'm going to lift the head up and down. You want to make sure you're getting into all those nooks and crannies of the neck, especially if you have long, heavy hair like myself. You want to make sure that hair, woo, every time I bring my head back, I'm swinging backwards. Yeah, woo. Right? You want to make sure you have good balance, right? You don't want to start in heels like myself. If you're doing it for the first time, you want to make sure that you're in something flat. Your base of support is nice and comfortable. You don't feel like you're going to be falling off balance. The head is obviously a big part of your center of gravity. If you throw your head to the side like this, you're going to shift your weight inside. The entire head, it shifts. If you're walking, not really thinking about where you're going, you turn the head, your body will just start walking towards that direction. So you have to be very conscious of all of that, right? The next thing we're going to do is just tilt the head to the side. As a caution for you as well, I'm dropping all kind of caution gems on you. Make sure you're not wearing any long earrings, right? If you're starting for the first time, you don't want to have any accidents where the earring hitches into your long hair, okay? If you have no hair on your head, girl, tie a sheet on your head and stop complaining. No, at this point, I'm done. Tie one sheet on your head. I love you so much. Let's do the shoulders as well because the neck is connected to the shoulders. So let's head shoulders up, push them down, up and down, up and down. You may be wondering why am I so excited and energetic, because I taught the class just before, so I'm absolutely warm. Okay? So if you feel like you need any more warming up while we're doing this, then go ahead and take it. Pause the video and take it. Roll the shoulders back. 2, relax the knees. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, roll them forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, just move the hips from side to side because we are going to be doing a wine. It's called dirty wine. The only difference with this wine now is that you're synchronizing the head and the neck with the entire body. Yeah? Side to side with the hips. And I want you to start pulling that belly button in from now. Yes, girl. And to the side, I'm going to just thrust forward and back. So now I just want you to do a basic wine. And if you've never taken a whining class with me before, click the link right here and you'll learn how to do just that. I just want you to sit into the hips, into the knees, into the ankles, and just bring the hips around. Give me 8 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get the back into it. 5. Shoulders. 6, 7, 8, other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next move that we're going to be doing is simply getting into the dirty wine, but a modified version of that dirty wine. So here's what I'm going to do. Putting all my hair to this side here, just to start off, right? And all I'm going to do is I'm rolling the head from this side, and I'm going to carry it to that side. Now when you're doing the actual movement, there is a little bit of a head whip that you do in order to get the hair around. Sometimes the hair will end up in your face. In that case, you can use the hands, right? But typically, if you're pro, if you're expert, you're a bad girl, you're not using no hand. Hands where? Look man, no hands. Look man, no hands. Alright, I need to get off of TikTok. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. 1. Yeah? 2. Let's do 8. 3. 4. My knees are relaxed. 5. 6. 7. 8. Alright? So now what we're going to be doing is a full head rotation and then reverse it. Okay? So let's try that. If you need to pause the video at any point in time, go ahead and pause the video. If you need to hold on, for example, to a wall while you're doing the move, you can do that as well. If you know you have a history of dizziness or headaches when you do these type of movements, you want to listen to your body. You're the only person who knows the body. I don't know your body. I'm not your physician. And even if I was your physician, I wouldn't be able to tell you what you're feeling right now. So if your body is saying to you, stop this, stop. Okay? It's better to be safe than sorry. So again, we're doing a full rotation this way and then a full rotation that way. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 1. Other way, 2. And if you notice, I'm starting to incorporate my shoulders and my upper body. So look again, I'll try to do it slow. Other side. Such a nice release. I'm going to turn to this side just so you see what's happening. I'm turning towards you first. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, and starting position. Other way. Alright. Let me turn my back. Go into that direction first. Booty. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Other side. Alright, let me do it this direction again. 3, 2, facing the camera first, or rotating the camera first. Round. Other direction. Alright. So the first type of dirty wine that we're going to be doing, we're going to do hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. We're going to put the hands on the knees. I want you to give me a nice twerk hand. So you're going to turn the hands in and you're going to stick the booty out. Alright? So if I turn to the side, I'm going to do it slow. I'm going to do 2 of them slow. 3, 2, 1. 1. Same side. 2. Opposite. Alright? So you notice the shoulders really come into play. Okay? The shoulders are needed. The legs need to be solid in order to keep you balanced. Alright? Now we're facing forward and we're going to go for that bad girl dirty wine. 4 times, whip into the right. 4 times, whip into the left. And we're doing it slow motion. What I really want you to think about when you're doing this is feeling out the shoulders, feeling out the spine, the hips, the booty. Everything needs to be sexy. If at any point in time you're starting to feel clumsy and awkward, take a break, pause the video, drink some water. Mind your business. So we're going 4 and then 4. 3, 2, and 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? Woo! And if you're feeling dizzy, try to shake it out a bit. Give me a hot girl pose. Put the hand on the wall. So we're going to turn to the side and we're doing the same thing at that same medium tempo. So we're not going too fast, right? You only speed up when you're comfortable. Here we go. 4 to the right, 4 to the left. Yes, ma'am. Stick the bottom out, cock the body back. 3, 2, and 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So anyways, let's move on. The next thing that we're going to be doing, we're going to lean from side to side, okay? Now this is where your balance, shifting the weight is very important. There are some persons who have great balance standing up, we call it static balance in physiotherapy. But when it comes down to dynamic balance now, when you have to walk around or move out of your base of support, S-H-I-T hits the F-A-N, okay? So, listen to your body and go with the flow. Alright, so here we go. Let me show you the movement we're going to do. We're going to go around, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? So pretty much you're in a squat and you're turning the body towards that side and then that side. Let's try it at moderate tempo and let's get into it. 3, 2, 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start back center again to go to that direction. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? I hope that was helpful. So now we have the regular one in the center. We have a side to side one. And then now I want you to get into a split. So all I do when I get into a split, if you can split, is I turn, when I did a demo, I turn and I put the hands down and I move the feet around like this. That's all I do. Alright? If it's difficult for you to flip those feet around, you may not have your upper body strength as a person who works out almost every day of the week, right? What you could do, put the legs down, put the hands down, right? And all you do, you're just gonna put the legs out like that, right? So it's a little bit easier splitting this direction, I feel, I don't know, than the other direction where you have to kind of swing around to go here. I know, when you're doing the dirty wine to go to the floor, here's what you do, right? And there's no hard and fast way to do this. Different dancehall dancers do this differently. I'm just showing you styles and the basic styles that you can do and you can add your own flavor to it. You get me? So, here we go. I'm going to go to the floor. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I go 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you are a badass gal, you can maintain the movement by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then all you do, you put the leg behind you to continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, coming up, 6, 7, 8. You get me? So that's pretty much how you do the dirty wine. Remember, you can rewind the video. You can press the slow button. Like I said to somebody the other day, you know you can slow down the video, right? Even though I'm teaching at a slower pace than I actually dance, YouTube has this really cool feature that you can click on it and you can change the speed. You can either speed up the speed of the video. I think it might be in the bottom left corner. Check it out. You can speed up the video or you can slow it down. That actually really helps, right? So, hope you had fun learning how to do the dirty wine. I'm your girl, Chriss Choreo. This is the biggest, baddest artist Caribbean dance tutorial channel in the Black world. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, share, comment, and like this video if you like what you see. And tell friends about it. Tell friends about it. Get the link here.